Hi, my name is Tim Piemonte and I'm a vertical market manager for Littlefuse. Littlefuse is a global manufacturer of circuit protection and control technologies and headquartered in Chicago, Illinois. We've been a partner of Rockwell's for over 10 years. Their customer relationships and expansive network are critical to growing and reaching new customers. My role focuses on the business development of several products that protect people and equipment from electrical hazards in the workplace, like those of arc flash and electric shock. The product I'm introducing today is the Littlefuse Shock Block. It's an industrial ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. Electricity is part of our everyday lives at both home and work. The simple act of plugging and unplugging equipment can expose you to electric shock, whether it's your kitchen toaster, kitchen deep fryer, a portable welder in an industrial plant. And normal equipment and power cords can wear over time and lead to leakage currents and electric shock hazards. While codes and standards have required GFCI protection in our homes for many years, similar protection in the workplace has been more of a recent development. As equipment voltages increase and loads get larger, protecting people from real shock hazards without unwanted tripping can be a real challenge. Personnel level protection all the way up to 600 volts and designed with both safety and function in mind. So if you have applications that require portable loads or even permanent loads in wet or damp locations, please help raise your company's electrical safety awareness and reach out to Littlefuse today.